Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle, a four-star Sudoku, number 8105. And in today's newspaper of Friday, yes, the first Friday of the month, Friday, March the 1st, 2024. The first Friday of the month, we have always a speed test. And I've already solved one puzzle, one regular puzzle. So it's time for the second one. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now, these 3 puzzles, the first one I've already solved. These 2 I need to solve in a minute. I will do a speed test without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. 1 minute already passed. This one has 25 printed digits. Nope, 24. So it's definitely a 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Well, speed test. So without any comments or instructions. Okay. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3. This should be the 3. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. 3, 6. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Come on. 9, 3, 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 1, and a 6. Okay. 2. Come on. 7, 6, 6. 4, 6. 9 and 5 and 7. Need a 7 here. 9 here should be the 9. Here should be the 9. Okay. 9. Need a 9 there. No 9 here. Need a 9 here. 8. 1, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. This should be the 4. 1, 2, 5. Need a 5 here. I think the 5 should be here. This can be 5. That box should be 5. 5. Need a 5 here, so this can be 5. 5. Need a 5 here. Okay. Come on. 5, 7, 2. 5, 7, 2. 5, 7, 2. No 7 here. 7 should be here then. 7. Need a 7 there. 2. Need a 2 here. Here should be the 8 and 7. 8. This should be the 8. 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. Yeah. 4, 2, 1. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 4, and then 7 here. Yeah, need a 4 and a 7 here. 4, 7, 2, 1. No 7, 7. No 4 here. 4, 4. 3, 4. We have all the 3s here. 7, 4, 4, 4. No 4. 4. No 4, 4. Here can be a 4 anymore. So 1, 6, 4. This should be the 1. 1, 1 here. Need a 1 here. Here can be 1 anymore. 3, 1, 2, 4. 1 can be 4. Here can be 4. These can be 4. This box should be 4. So the 1 and the 2 are left here. 5, 7 and the 2. 5, 7 and 2. 5, 7. This should be the 2. 5, 7. Here, 6 and the 1. Here we have 1. These 2 should be the 1. 7 should be here. Okay. Come on. 1, 2. 1. Here should be the 1 also. 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. 6, 6, 6. Need a 7. Here can be 7. This should be the 7 then. 8, 5. This should be 8 and 5. 1 and a 2. 5, 5, 5, 8, 5, and then this should be the 2, 2, 2. Yeah. So here 1 box left for the 5. 5. Oh, here can be 5. This should be the 5. This box should be an 8. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. Need a 8 here. Need a 6 here. Come on. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Okay. 7. 7, 5. This should be the 7. This should be the 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 7. Here, 4, 7, 1. 4, 7, 1. Here can be 4. 4, 7, and 1. 1, 2, 4, 7. 3, 3, 3. Need an 8 here. We have an 8 here. 8 there. This should be the 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 here. So the 7 and the 6 are left here. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 7. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 7 here. Complicated. 7. And a 1. Here should be the 1. 2, 7, 6. 2, 7, 6. 2, 6 here. 2, 6, 9. No 6 here. This should be the 6. Could be a 2 here. Yeah. 2 could be a 2 here. 2, 9, and 5. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 2 and the 9. We have a 2. This should be the 2. This should be 9. 2 and a 6. 2, 6, 7. Oh wait, 2 and no, 6 and a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 6. 6 or 7. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 or 7. We have a 7. This should be the 2. 2, 2, 1, 1, 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, 1. Here 1, 4, 7. This should be the 4. This should be the 7, 7, 9. 6, 4, 4, 6. 2 and the 8. Finish. 10 minutes minus 1 minute. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Yeah. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 9 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely a 4 stars, but faster than the previous Sudoku. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, without comments, without instructions. See you later. Bye bye for now.